Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle stem in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle stem to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is New Style Carbon Fiber Bicycle Stem. Specifications: material, carbon steel. Fork clamp diameter, 28.6. Handlebar clamp diameter, 31.1 to 32.5 mm. Height, 56 to 65 mm. Type, bicycle stem. Origin, China. Number 4 is Oyo CNC stem. Specifications: brand name, Oyo. Type, bicycle stem. Fork clamp diameter, 28.6 mm. Handlebar clamp diameter, 31.1 to 32.5 mm. Height, 36 to 45 mm. Material, aluminum alloy. Stem riser, 6 to 17 degrees. Stem length, 160 mm, 170 mm, 180 mm. Color, black. Origin, China. As the item number 3, we've selected Maroka bicycle suspension stem. Specifications: brand name, Maroka. Type, bicycle stem. Fork clamp diameter, 28.6 mm. Handlebar clamp diameter, 31.1 to 32.5 mm. Height, 36 to 45 mm. Material, aluminum alloy. Origin, China. Number 2 is Maroka folding bike stem. Specifications: brand name, Maroka. Type, bicycle stem. Handlebar clamp diameter, 20 to 22.5 mm. Height, 15 to 25 mm. Material, aluminum alloy. Origin, China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Ryro bicycle hidden cable stem. Specifications: brand name, Ryro. Type, bicycle stem. Material, aluminum alloy. Height, 36 to 45 mm. Handlebar clamp diameter, 31.1 to 32.5 mm. Fork clamp diameter, 28.6 mm. Origin, China.